I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand your arms with a fall into your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say that were never true. When the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I've heard it screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there and close my eyes, feel you here. Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew. All the things you'd say that were never true. When the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I've heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain and let the words into the place where it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time. Sometimes I wake up at the door, that heart you called must be waiting for you. Even now when we're already over, I can't tell myself from looking for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour inside your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I've heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain and let the words into the place where it felt something died, 'cause I knew that was the last time.